Hello, this is Abhinandan. Today is 29th July 2024. I'm there at Singapore airport. I'm going to show you the surrounding. This is Abhinandan from Bangalore. Last 4 months I was traveling. I left on May 19th. Sorry, March 29th. March 29th I left. Today is July 29th. I'm coming back. I was there in Malaysia, Jakarta, then I went to Bangkok, then again Jakarta, Malaysia, right to Singapore, and back to Bangalore. Now this is Abhinandan. I'm going to talk to you right now. So this is one of the place where you can see this water fall like, okay, this is like a waterfall in the Singapore airport. Like this is a photo place over here. It's a very nice airport, and this is Abhinandan from Bangalore. So if you love to travel, okay, with your current job or your current business, if you are not able to travel the world, there is a business which you can start with. There's a business which you can start with either 3,60,000 rupees or $4,000, 3,60,000 or $4,000, or 2,70,000 or $3,000, or at least 1,80,000, 1,80,000 or $2,000. So we can go, we can visit either Singapore or Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, or Bangkok or Jakarta. But visiting Bangkok or Kuala Lumpur would be the best option. I was traveling here for the last 4 months' time. But if you have the financial capacity from $1,000 to $4,000, and if you have another 30,000 to 40,000 flight ticket and another 10,000 rupees for your accommodation and food and traveling, contact and speak to Abhinandan. Contact and speak to Abhinandan 4 or 5 times within 24 hours. I will send you 7 to 8 videos. 7 to 8 videos for you to watch. 7 to 8 videos to watch will take about 1 hour time. But if you say you are very busy and don't have money, busy people will never have money. The rich people will leave their job by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock and go to a club, socialize. But busy people will always be working. See, I enjoy traveling the world. I love traveling. Traveling is my passion. Traveling is my therapy. So if you love to travel the world, and if you like to start a business either from 90,000 rupees or 1 lakh, starting with 1,80,000 is best. Starting with 90,000 rupees or 1,80,000 rupees or 2,70,000 rupees or 3,60,000 rupees or above. And if you have another 30,000 to 40,000 rupees flight ticket, it may come even to 20,000 also. But I'm saying 30,000 to 40,000 and another 10 to 15,000 rupees as your accommodation expenses. Speak to me if you are keen. If you are keen to earn $2,000 to $5,000 per month and later per week. There are people earning $10,000 to $100,000 per month. I'm not exaggerating. You will see the proof of it when you come to Malaysia or when you come to Bangkok. So don't be skeptical. Don't have a PhD. Don't have a PhD to be having you come to your own conclusion. People have a PhD for coming to their own conclusion. Okay, and you'll be broke with no money and not travel the world. Abhinandan will give an opportunity not only to travel. See, a lot of other people, every day 2,000 people come to Malaysia. Every day 6,000 people fly to Bangkok. Every day 4,000 people fly to Indonesia. All these people who fly, they spend 50,000 rupees to 1,20,000 rupees for a 4-day holiday. And that is called as expenditure. But when you travel with Abhinandan to buy a health asset, I'll repeat, to buy a health asset for yourself and your family member, a very powerful health asset which I am using, and more than 200 people have come to Malaysia, Jakarta, Bangkok, Singapore to purchase this health asset for above 90,000 rupees. 90,000 rupees or 1,80,000 rupees or $2,000. More than 200 people have come. In my team only more than 30 people have come. So if you are very keen, speak to me. This is just an intro video. This is like a trailer video. So don't come to your own conclusion, but speak to me 5 or 6 or 7 times. Each time when you speak, I'll send you three videos. After watching 3 videos, you have to speak once again, okay, so that I will clarify all your question. And before only you have to tell me that you have either 90,000 or, and don't cheat. I have a list of people, hundreds of people who have responded to my newspaper advertisement in Times of India or online, either from Chennai or Calcutta or Mumbai or Delhi or Bangalore, who will tell lies that they have money, they would like to earn money, they would like to travel to USA and other places, but after knowing everything, they won't respond. I will give you the list of names if you want. I will give you 200 names to verify. You can call them and ask them, did you contact Abhinandan and what did you do later? So don't waste your time and don't waste my time if you don't have money. But if you want to be an information junkie, don't be an information junkie. Many people today are information junkies. They want to know everything in life, but they don't take action. They want to know everything, but they don't want to take action. I take action and I don't know many things. I won't know everything. I won't know how a car will work, how the car engine works. I don't know how a plane engine works, but I know how to take a plane and go to any part of the world. So you will get, if you contact me right now, today is July 29, 2024, if you contact me at the earliest, you get a free trip to Hong Kong and a cruise from Hong Kong to Japan. A cruise from Hong Kong to Japan. Okay, more than 1,000 people will be from our company itself. Our company has 4 offices right now. They're opening another 4 offices worldwide. Worldwide, more than 3 lakh people. 300,000 people, 3 lakh people have started their business either with 90,000 rupees or 1,000 USDT or 1,80,000 rupees or 2,000 USDT or 2,700, 2,70,000 rupees, 2,70,000 rupees or $3,000. Our best is to start with $4,000 or 3,60,000 rupees. At least you can start with 1,80,000 rupees if you are keen. Okay, so if you have that kind of money, millions of Indians go abroad to earn money. Not as a, I don't encourage you to go as a job, become a cyber coolie or a wage slave somewhere. I love to travel. I love to have the independence. Yet many people go to open tea shop, restaurant, grocery shop and all worldwide, Indian people. But I am telling you a smart business. They cannot travel the world. They'll be stuck in one place like Paris or Barcelona or Romania, where I was there recently, November, December, January, February. November, December of 2023 and January, February of 2024, I was there in Europe. I met a lot of Indian people starting businesses over there, spending 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, 70 lakh rupees, opening restaurants and all. They cannot travel. But with 90,000 rupees or 1,80,000 rupees and another 30,000-40,000 rupees, you can travel the world. If you are consistent for 90 days, working 4 hours to 5 hours per day during your free time. So don't be an expert. Don't have a PhD to come to a conclusion. In 2023, I traveled to more than 10 countries in 2023. 2024, already 6 countries. So contact Abhinandan, speak to me. Okay, this is at the Terminal 2 in Singapore. Okay, so if at all you have not traveled only, if you have a passport and if you don't have a passport, you can make a passport in 3 days time. And if you love to travel and love to be a global traveler and love to be a global earner like me, speak to me confidently. Today, people are scrolling junkies. Okay, but they are not confident to speak. I speak to everyone, either in USA, either in Dubai, either in Europe. When I attend a lot of business conferences, seminars, I call people, speak to people. But today, people have no confidence to speak. Okay, so I want you to be confident to speak. If you have the money, okay, if you have 90,000 rupees plus another 30,000, 40,000, speak to Abhinandan. Okay, don't come to your own conclusion. Okay, this is Abhinandan over here.